Jeff Keenan here with the EnGenius EMD1 Wi-Fi mesh dot. I wanted to do a quick video to show how quickly you can add one of these to your network. Now, as they come out of the box, they're a standalone access point. Basically, you just need to set the SSID and security key, and you can plug it into any wall outlet, and it will bring it up, and you'll be ready to go. You can also use the EnGenius Easy Master to add it to a managed system where you already have some of the EnGenius EWS access points, or use one of the EnGenius EWS PoE switches, which will also be able to manage a network of Wi-Fi mesh dots and other managed access points. The last option is you can use them with one of the EnGenius NMesh routers in a meshed wireless network. So for this video, I just want to show how quickly you can add it to a wired network. Most people have an IP phone on their desk. I'm not promoting any type of rogue access point deployment. If you have this cleared with your IT staff or managers before you do anything like this, please. Now, all you have to do is plug it into the Ethernet port. IP phones have a secondary Ethernet port in the back, most of them. So this thing's online, then you just plug it into some AC power. I have an extension cord here. And there you go. You have an access point up and ready to go. It just needs to be configured, and you'll have an SSID online. Again, this is the EMD1. Buy today from KeenanSystems.com.